If you're a DIY enthusiast, today I'll introduce you to WAGNER paint sprayers and explain which device is best suited to your project. All of these sprayers are easy to use, with adjustable paint flow and spray pattern. WAGNER also offers specialist fine sprayers for painting and woodwork. These devices feature a dedicated spray attachment for low viscosity materials, making them ideal for recoating furniture, fences and garden sheds.
If you want to give your walls and ceilings a fresh new look or add some color accents, the W450 paint sprayer is a great choice, a specialist for emulsion and latex paints. WAGNER also offers true all-rounders in its range. These devices can handle a wide range of materials, including interior wall paint, varnishes, and wood preservatives. All key accessories are included, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're planning a fresh coat for your walls, your garage door, or your garden furniture, all you need to do is choose the model that best suits your project.